Do you want to see what you can get for $429,000 right in downtown McCall? Then you're going to want to see 999 Yew Wood. And we want to thank Ben Egert with Realty One for letting us tour his listing today. So this home is located on the west side of Payette Lake in the Payette Lakes Club subdivision, and it's right off of Warren Wagon Road. So when we go inside, you'll see that this home is just under 1,000 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, and everything is fit in just right. You'll see when we get inside. So come on in. As you can see, we have a bedroom on the main level. This cabin has a kitchen with natural wood countertops and a rough edge. And you see they do have a bathroom on the main level. And it does have a shower with just a walk-in edge. There's no lip to stand over. And the same countertops are carried in through the bathroom. This is one of my favorite parts about the house. Because this is built in as a breakfast nook or a dining room table, it saves so much space in the cabin. And then when you look in the living room, they do have a pellet stove, which are popular for the McCall area. They do a really good job of heating the homes. I can imagine that that would make this area really hot in the wintertime. And it's an easy cleanup when you have a pellet stove. Then you can come right out here onto your front porch and kind of get away from any kind of road noise on Warren Wagon Road. This is where you have your grill set up, and this would be a great area for you to hang out with whoever you want to bring. So this cabin does come fully furnished, and as you can see, it has a boat theme from this pillow that's on the chair to your porthole window right over here at the end of the staircase in the oar that goes up as a stair railing. Let's check out these upstairs bedrooms. Now we're upstairs, and you can see these cute bedrooms with the wood framed ceilings. This one does have a balcony, again, that's out the back. Now we're into the second bedroom, which is kind of broken up into 2 separate sleeping areas that's separated by a curtain. And then you do have a half bathroom up here, so you don't even have to go downstairs, use the restroom. It's right here, super cute, a toilet and a sink. So we came outside to show you the back side of the house, which does have a lean-to that can provide some additional parking. I would say there's probably 2 parking spaces out in front, and then another one here under the lean-to. It also provides areas to store your kayaks or your paddle boards, anything you would need for the North Beach that's just right down the street. So this home has no HOA, but it is in the Payette Lakes Club neighborhood. So if you were to buy the membership and that were to come available that allows you the beach access, then you would pay a lump sum for the membership and yearly dues. But because this home is not currently come with the membership, you have no HOA fees. And if you want more information on the Payette Lakes Club membership and how that works, be sure to watch this video at the end.